The second part is at least two heads. कम से कम दो हेड, तो कम से कम दो हेड होने चाहिए, दो से कम नहीं, ठीक है. At least two heads. So we have at least two heads, that is HHT or HTH or THH or HHH. So these are the possibilities of at least two heads. कम से कम दो हेड, दो से कम नहीं लेने हैं. यहां भी देखिए दो हेड, दो हेड, दो हेड, और दो से कम नहीं है, दो से ज्यादा आप ले सकते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट इज नंबर, कितना बना इनका, 4. सो वी हैव प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E is equal to, that is up, we have 4 upon 8, that is 1 upon 2. So what is F? At most, ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो हेड्स, ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो हेड्स. सो ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो हेड्स मीन्स दो से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकते आप, दो से कम लेने हैं. तो दो से ज्यादा आपके पास ये आ गया, तो दो से कम ले सकते हो तो ये सारे लेने पड़ेंगे. दैट इज HH, T, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH और TTT. सो ये आपके पास 7 आ गए. दैट इज NF आपके पास 7 आ गया. सो वी हैव P probability of, that is NF upon NS. So we have 7 upon 8. So now intersection part. So E and F, what is the intersection part between these two? So that is, we can write it as intersection. So HHT, so these are how many? We have 3. HHT, HHT, HTH and THH. So that means NE intersection part that is common between these two is 3. So let us find out now the next. What can be said about P probability of E intersection F, that is N intersection F upon NS, that is 3 upon 8. So lastly we have to find probability of, conditional probability of event E as F occurred is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So what is E intersection F? That is equal to 3 upon 8. Okay, 3 upon 8 divided by 7 upon 8. So 8 gets cancelled. 3 upon 7 is the required answer. That is part number 3, and 4th you will try yourself. Try yourself.